Many of us, including me, sometimes find it very hard to keep up with consistency. If we love something to do, if we do something every single day, but still sometimes some month or some time of the whole year we just miss out on the consistency. We cannot post the same thing on Instagram or different social media platforms which we used to do every single day, and then we ask ourselves this one question, that how and why am I not able to keep up with consistency, with the love of the work, with the work which I used to do every single day. Why am I not able to keep up with the consistency? A very good morning to you all. My name is Shubham Bisht and I welcome you all once again back to this amazing platform of YouTube named as Happiness Prime. This H23 Prime video where I welcome you happiest people and I wish a very nice perspective to you all. And let me tell you one thing, this thing happened with me too. This loss of perspective, this loss of consistency, this happened with me a lot of times, but I figured out a few things which are helping me, and right now it's been 1 year that I'm writing blog every single day on 4 different websites. So yes, it helped me, and some of the things which helped me in this journey I'm going to share completely with you in this video. So if you're watching this video, please listen to each and every sentence very carefully, because I'm going to speak it very loud, very clear and very slow so you can understand it very carefully. Now, starting with the first step, what helped me the most? First of all, an illusion may happen. It might happen that what we think, that the work which we love to do and we are doing is actually not our interest. It may happen that it seems like the work which we are doing every single day, it is the work which we are made for. It is the work which we have talent in. It is the work which we love to do, but it might happen that it is just an illusion. Now, how to figure out that it is an illusion or not? How we can get to know that that work is just an illusion? You, if you start losing interest on that work after doing it for consistently for 15, for 21 days, or for 60 days, or for 90 days, if you find it most difficult and if you just cannot keep up with the consistency on that particular work, then just figure out this one thing, that that was just an illusion. But you have to put your 100% efforts behind it. You don't have to just like, no, today I'm not able to do this, my mood is not good, so I'm not going to do this. No, you have to put 100% efforts behind it, but still from inside, if you will get that particular answer from inside, that no, this is not something which I want to do and this is just an illusion. So what is the first factor? You have to try out as maximum things as possible. BTech HTML, learning HTML, learning dance, learning sketch, learn going to gym, and there are lots of things which I tried to do. There are lots of things which I tried that I thought I can make career in. I played CS:GO. I made a YouTube account in CS:GO named the Stand 5K, Stand 5K Gaming. So that is that channel also. I ran for 24 hours a day. I played so many games. I read books. I started writing with my left hands. Like a lot of things which I did just to try out this one thing. And blog, that was not even in my list of interests that I made. In the beginning, what I did was I made list of interest, and writing blog was not one of them, but still it's been 1 year that I'm writing blog in 4 different websites. Like I started with one, then it went good, then I started second, then I started third, then I started fourth, and right now I'm writing blogs in 4 different websites. So just try out maximum things as possible. Taste every single thing. That is one of the first steps which helped me. You clearing out that illusion which you have in mind. Second thing which will definitely help you is the reasons in life. That is the major things. Whenever you do something, you always have the reasons in back of the mind, not in the subconscious mind, because subconscious mind are quick decision takers. So you don't have to keep the reasons in mind in the subconscious one, because that may make you sad, that may make you depressed, that may make you illusionistic again. So keep it in the back of the mind, the real mind, and in the subconscious. Be active, be aware of all the things which you are doing right now, all the opportunities which you have right now, and all the consistent work which you are putting efforts in at this particular moment. Second point, you got it. The reasons in life. Thirdly, what can you do to not get bored while being consistent in that same particular work? And just 1 second. Songs is one of the best thing. Lo-fi remixes, slow sounds, slow pop music is one of the best thing which can keep your mind good in a good condition, just like a rain, or what mood when you have while when it is a good weather out there and when all the conditions are good in life. So that lo-fi remix and those musics can keep you motivated and keep you positive in that entire session. So these three things help me a lot. And remember one thing, you don't need money to keep up with the consistency. If you are asking for money to keep up with consistency, then that is just an illusion. That is not your real interest. You cannot ask for money until you provide just 1600 hours and 2000 hours of free values to every single person. If people want your talent in their life, if people think that your talent can help them solve their problem, then only you have a right to ask the money from them. Before that, there is no chance that you can ask money and you can keep up with the consistency. So these were all the points. I hope it somehow connected. I hope this somehow taught you something, and I hope you start from today onwards, because there is no tomorrow, there is no yesterday, there is no dates, there is no festival, there is no new year. It is now, right now. So close this video, just share this with one more friend. That will be very much helpful for me, helpful for them to learn and to keep up with the consistency. I hope you get to learn a lot from these videos. I hope you got to learn all the values from this particular video, and I hope you be healthy, wealthy, and your family be good forever. Thank you for watching this video. Be happy.